Hello students! In this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of pronouns. Let's learn together. Pronouns are special words that take the place of nouns. They help to avoid repetition of words. For example, he, him, herself, yourself, that, which, etc. Now, let's learn the types of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. This type of pronoun replaces a person's name in sentences. There are two kinds. Subjective case. These pronouns act as the subject. Examples include I, you, he, she, it, they. Objective case. These pronouns act as the object. Examples include me, him, her, us, them. Example through sentence. He is our team leader. Here, he is a subjective pronoun. Then, relative pronoun. This type of pronoun connects parts of a sentence. They include who, whom, which, and that. Example through sentence. The lady who organized the event is my mother. Here, the word who helps link the clauses. Next, reflexive pronoun. This type of pronoun reflects actions back to the subject. These include myself, yourself, himself, and herself. Example through sentence. Kelly herself drove her car. Here, herself reflects the action to Kelly. Another is intensive pronoun. This type of pronoun emphasizes a noun. They are often the same words as reflexive pronouns, like myself and yourself. Example through sentence. The man himself fixed his car. The word himself adds emphasis. Then we have demonstrative pronoun. This type of pronoun points to something specific. They help describe whether something is near or far, like this, that, these, and those. Example through sentence. That is the girl who won the competition. Here, that points to a specific girl. Next is the indefinite pronoun. This type of pronoun refers to non-specific things or people like everyone and anything. Example through sentence. Everyone was excited for the trip. This doesn't specify who exactly is excited. Another is the distributive pronoun. This type of pronoun describes members of a group separately, like each and either. Example through sentence. Each student must bring their lunch. Here, each refers to every individual student. Then we have possessive pronoun. This type of pronoun shows ownership, such as mine, yours, and theirs. Example through sentence. His phone is ringing. Here, his shows who it belongs to. Last is the interrogative pronoun. This type of pronoun is used to ask questions. They include words like who, what, and which. Example through sentence. What time is it? Here, what asks for information. Now it's your turn to answer. Give 2 examples of intensive pronouns. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.